In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your URL slug in Squarespace. Whether you're optimizing your website for better search engine visibility or just giving your page links a cleaner look, modifying your URL slug is a straightforward process. I'll guide you through it step by step. So let's get started without any delay. Step 1. Log in first. Log into your Squarespace account. If you're not already logged in, go to the Squarespace website and click Login in the top right corner. If prompted with multiple login options, select Continue with Google. This is a quick and convenient way to log in, especially if your account is linked to Google. Once logged in, you'll arrive at your dashboard where you can see a list of your websites. Click on the site you want to work with. Step 2. Navigate to Pages. From the site dashboard, go to the Pages section. You'll usually find this in the main menu on the left side of the screen, often represented by an icon that looks like a stack of papers. This section lists all the pages on your site. Locate the page where you want to change the URL slug. Hover over the page title and you'll see a gear icon appear to the right. This is the settings button for that page. Click it to open the page settings. Step 3. Edit the URL slug inside the settings dialog box. Look for the URL slug field. Here you'll see the current slug associated with the page. Now enter your new slug. Make sure it's concise, descriptive, and easy to read. If SEO is a priority, try including relevant keywords. Keep in mind that slugs typically use lowercase letters, numbers, and hyphens. Avoid spaces or special characters. Step 4. Save changes. Once you've updated the slug, click Save. This applies your changes to the page, and your URL now reflects the new customized path. And that's it. Your page now sports a fresh URL slug, making your site look cleaner and more optimized for search engines. Thanks for following along with this tutorial. With these steps, you can easily update and improve your website's URL structure. Happy Squarespace editing. Be Squarespace.